Halo semuanya, pernah gak sih kalian itu ngerasa kalau hubungan yang awalnya hangat, harmonis, terus lancar dan menyenangkan itu tiba-tiba berubah jadi dingin tanpa adanya alasan yang jelas. Kadang itu bukan karena cinta itu hilang, tapi karena kita lupa menjaga hal-hal kecil yang dulu ngebuat hubungan itu hidup. William Butler Yeats, seorang penyair besar dari Irlandia, menggambarkan hal itu dengan sangat indah dalam puisinya yang berjudul Love and the Bird. Love and the bird. The moments pass as at play. I had the wisdom love can bring. I had my share of motherhood, and yet for all that I could say and talk, I had her praise for it, and she seemed happy as a king. Love's moon was withering away, believing every word I said. I praised her body and her mind, till pride had made her eyes grow bright, and pleasure made her cheeks grow red, and vanity her footfall light. Yet we, for all that price, could find nothing but darkness overhead. I sat as silent as a stone, and you, thou said not say a word, that even the best of love must die, and had been savagely undone, were it not that love, upon the cry of a most ridiculous little bird, threw up in the air his marvelous moon.